In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Now, what you want to do is open up your Facebook account. Once you open up your Facebook account, click on the bottom right and open up the menu. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then click on See More in Account Center. From there, you want to click on Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control, and then you can click deactivation or deletion. Of course, select the account you want to permanently delete, and from here click on deactivate account. Deactivate account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. Then click on continue, follow on-screen instructions, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment and subscribe.